In this video, I will show you how to install an additional language on your Windows 11 computer and add a new keyboard layout. First, open the Settings app. There are different ways to do this. One way is to press the Windows key on your keyboard, then type Settings and press Enter. Another way is to click on the Start menu, then click on the Settings icon. Once the Settings window is open, go to Time and Language. Under this section, click on Language and Region. Now, you will see the option to add a language. Click on Add a Language. A new window will appear where you can search for the language you want to install. I will add French as an example. In the search bar, type French and select the option that matches the language and region you need. Then click Next. You will see a list of features that come with the language. These include Language Pack, text-to-speech, speech recognition, and handwriting. If you need all these features, leave them checked and click Install. Windows will now download and install the language. This may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, the new language will appear in the list of installed languages. You can now switch between languages. To do this, click on the language icon in the taskbar, usually near the bottom right corner of the screen. A list of installed languages will appear. You can select French from the list. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus Shift to switch between languages quickly. If you want to make the new language the default for Windows, go back to Language and Region in the Settings app. Click on the new language and select Set as Windows Display Language. This will change the entire interface of Windows 11 to the new language. You may need to sign out and sign back in for the changes to take effect. That's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to add a new language and keyboard layout to your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching.